right after finishing the Passage of Malice, which was this one over here, located immediately after we completed the Spire of Frost, for which you'll find info down below. We'll make our way towards the Northern Skybridge Gate, head through it, where we can then do the usual grab and twist, giving us access to some simple parkour, which once completed should take us across to a bit more, until eventually we can hop onto some moving platforms, which jiggle back and forth, and then go up. For this, there's another one next to it, wait for this one, and eventually we make our way to the top, where we can take this teleporter, which zooms us up and across to the Tomb of Perdition. This one, if you're wondering, is located over here, just next to Dry Valley over here. So starting off, obviously a bunch of moving platforms. We'll make our way across all of these until eventually we make our way towards that centerpiece over there. But of course you can skip all of it and make your way towards the center island, which is what I'm doing here. You can see the next little gate over there to the right. And of course, towards the center here, this little teleporter will be activating. So, in front of us, we can grab this, which should activate this little twisty on the left side here. You should see over here, this little plate, which we can grab and pull through this, back to the outside, letting go, and using the center again, we can rotate it back, and on this right-hand side, we can then push it through here, and on the wall, you can see the place where it needs to go. Eventually, once some leaves appear, we can force current or force palm it into place, and immediately below us is another block, or two rather, which will be grabbing both of them. With each of these, we'll bring them back out towards where we were previously in the front. So we'll bring out both of these in one go, and at the front over here, once they're both well and truly safely away from that, we can grab and spin this once more. We'll take one of these into the left-hand side here, and on the far wall, where the light is, you can see it needs to fit in here. So we'll push it towards it, jiggle it around until it reorients until the leaves appear. Then we can force palm or force current it into place, assuming we don't fall off there. There we go. We can head back out here. Now we'll be rotating this once more, and we'll be climbing up onto the top over here. You can either just climb up or use the axiom force to get up here. On your right will be a treasure chest, which we can grab. Definitely worth it. Randomized loot. We can then reach back down and grab this little rectangle we grabbed earlier. We'll bring it up on top of this, over to the other side here. And you can see where it needs to fit in the floor. So we can just drop down to it and position it in the floor over here. Force current, there you go. And of course, this little vault door activates, which we can then climb onto, crouch, and force palm straight down, activating, looking back up. Once it settles in, we've completed the Tomb of Perdition. A super simple puzzle, but there you go. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.